Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mary Joy. I'm Mary Joy Aluhepan, 23 years of age.
Mm-hmm.
I'm married, and I have one son. I'm the second. I'm the second in my family.
Mm-hmm.
My mother is a housewife, and my father is a driver.
Mm-hmm.
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give the needs of my family.
Okay, how about your education background?
I'm graduate in 1 year health aid.
Mm-hmm. Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
No, sir.
Okay, only caregiver.
Yes, sir.
How long?
1 year.
How many members in the house?
Um, the the elderly,
The elderly, how old?
93 years old,
Man or woman?
woman.
Okay, one elderly you took care, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your main duties in the house?
I take care of the elderly. I take care. And then I'll give them a medicine, and then and duty is
Okay, because you only took care of the old lady, right? When you did something wrong in the house, maybe she will angry with you and shout with you, right? What you will do?
I will say, sir. Repeat.
When you something wrong in the house, okay, when you did something wrong in the house, she will angry with you and shout with you. What you will do?
I will say sorry for my employer if I have a mistake.
Okay, you know marketing?
Yes, sir.
Cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in case your employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
I'll going to less the 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 less of the vegetables and the price.
Yes. Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom want you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
I will first turn off the stove, and then I will go to my mom.
Okay, you are a mother, right?
Yes, sir.
You know how to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
How do you know the baby is sick?
The baby was crying and discomfortable.
Okay, in case you were in Hong Kong, who take care of your son?
My mother-in-law.
How can you solve your homesick?
I will go to the church and pray, and then and to guide me.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
So my future employer, good day. I'm Mary Joy. I'm Mary Joy Aluhipan. I hope you chose me. I'm honest, hardworking, and I will obey your rules and regulation as your domestic helper. Hope to I hope to I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Okay, thank you.